Hello, my name is Kay. Welcome to my channel. If you are new and if you are already a part of my crew, welcome back. Today, I am showing you how to make crispy, spicy chicken wings. Also, I'm going to teach you how to make your very own homemade ranch dip to go with those chicken wings. Alright, let's list the ingredients. Let's get started. Let's start with a bowl. Let's add some hot sauce. We're going to put about 2 tablespoons of hot sauce. Grab some lemon juice. And we are going to add about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. 2 teaspoons of oil. Now, let's add the chicken. In this recipe, I have about 10 pieces of chicken. Now we're going to stir the ingredients. Make sure the chicken is coated. Perfect. Now we're gonna grab the lid. Now we're going to refrigerate the chicken. You can refrigerate from 30 minutes all the way up to 8 hours. Okay, this will be the perfect time to preheat the oven to 375. Let's grab a pan. Lightly spray the pan with a non-stick cooking spray. Let's move that aside. Grab a plate. The corn flakes, mini corn flakes. Let's crush them up. Crush them up. And place them on the plate. We're going to set that aside a little bit. Let's grab that chicken. Grab a piece of chicken and turn the chicken to coat on both sides. Once you have finished coating your first piece of chicken, grab the baking pan. Place the chicken on the pan and continue doing the same process. Chicken, coating, pan. Now you have successfully coated all the pieces of chicken. As you can see, my pan could only fit 6, and that's okay, because I have the other 4 that I can use for another day. Next step, grab cooking spray, lightly spray the top. Now let's bake the chicken for about 30 minutes. Or until the chicken is no longer pink in the center and the coating is crisp. Alright, while that is baking, we are going to do our last step, which is making our ranch sauce, our homemade ranch sauce. So let's grab a bowl. We got some Daisy sour cream. We're going to do about a 1/4 cup of sour cream. Next, let's grab some buttermilk. We're going to do about a 1/4 cup of buttermilk. We have some garlic powder. We're going to add about 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Last ingredient is dill. This is natural dill, that is why it's in the packaging. Gonna add about 1/2 teaspoon of dill. Gonna stir everything around. Try a little bit. Oh, that's good. Take a look. Now we are going to cover this and refrigerate until we are ready to serve. All done. Let's take a look at these wings. All right, now let's try it. Oh, that's good. Let's try again. Oh yeah. That is good. If you love wings, you're gonna love this recipe. Thank you for tuning in today. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more of my videos and you haven't done it already, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know every time I drop a new video. And if you have any questions, comments, or requests, leave them down below. And I will see you guys next time. Alright. Cooking and kisses. Bye.